This video consists of 5 parts: overall experience, takeaway of business game, the deviations, relations between game and theory, and further suggestions. First, the overall experience in managing our company as a team.
We had great fun working as a team fighting for the same goal. We meet every Monday evening to discuss and make decisions together. Every 2 of us are responsible for one part of the operation, marketing, and finance. We read very carefully our own part of the report before the meeting. We make use of the televisions in the bubbles of the learning hub so that we can see the figures together when deciding.
Second, the takeaway of the business game.
Actually, we gain a lot from such business game, not only in management and strategic theories, but also realize the dynamic and complex market. There will be deviations between our initial strategy and the real outcome. We need to be careful to analyze our competitors' behavior and strategy, then find a balance in combining our strategy with that launched by our competitors. Gaming theory is also put into use by our group. We also focus on quantitative analysis, learning and using various indexes to analyze our performance and future strategy. For example, EPS and ROE are very essential factors to evaluate the final performance every year. So, we analyze these factors in detail, knowing the principle and try to maximum our performance. Another example is that pricing is really a vital factor deciding the market share. Considering complex factors, competitions with other groups, and the dynamic shoe market environment, we try our best to find a balance between the market share and the margin to maximum our profit.
Third, the deviations between our strategic plan and our performance.
According to the results, the difference between our focus and actual performance is narrow. Our prediction for performances is pretty accurate, exceeding the industry average level. To have an accurate forecast, we make a horizontal comparison with the industry performance and a vertical comparison with the history data before every round of decision, so that we can have an accurate prediction for the strategy of our competitors. Since we draw on the wisdom of the masses to persuade and convince each other, we compromise the aggressive opinion and the conservative opinion to a realistic result. There do exist some deviations. Our intention is to position our company as high-end brand in the beginning, but in the later period, our competitor produced 10 stars products, so we change our strategy to focus on the mid-end market, seeking for price advantage. And we bid for the celebrities according to their value every year, but we fail since our competitors' offers are much higher than our prediction.
Fourth, the relation between the business game and the theory part of the course.
The whole process of the business game is actually a process to assess and appraise the resources and capabilities of the company, to find out the key successful factors of the company, and then develop the strategy implication. At the very beginning of the game, our team find out that the value chain of the company is design, manufacture, sales marketing, distribution, dealer support, customer service.